In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub account, email, and primary address. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GitHub. Click the official result for github.com to make sure you're on the legitimate site, then sign in with your account. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. In the menu that opens, select Settings. This is where you control your account details and security preferences. On the Settings page, find the left-hand sidebar. Under the Access section, click Emails. This page is dedicated to managing the email addresses associated with your account. You'll see any addresses you've already added, plus options to add new ones and choose which one is primary. To add a new email, look for the Add Email Address area. Type the new address carefully, double-checking for typos, and click Add. Pick an inbox you can access immediately because you'll need to verify it. This is important. GitHub won't let you set an address as primary until it's verified. Now, switch to the inbox for the address you just added. You should see an email from GitHub with a verification link. If it's not there right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders. Open the message and click the verification link. That link confirms you own the address and activates it for your account. It's a good idea to keep your GitHub Settings tab open while you do this, so it's easy to come back. After you've verified the address, return to the Emails page in GitHub Settings. Look for the Primary Email Address drop-down. Click it and select the newly verified email. Then click Save to apply the change. From now on, GitHub will send account notifications to this address, and it will be used for web-based Git operations, like editing files in the browser. A quick note for clarity. Changing your primary email here doesn't automatically change the email used in your local Git commits on your computer. That's controlled separately in your Git configuration and can be updated later if needed. Also, if you manage multiple emails, this page is where you can add or remove them and confirm which one should be primary. And that's it. You searched for GitHub, logged in, navigated to Settings, opened emails, added and verified a new address, selected it as primary, and saved your changes. You're all set.